Hello children, welcome to Siptharani English program. Today we are going to learn question words to get information. WH questions. Here you can see some WH question words along with the words what are they stand for. Let's read the WH question words first. What, who, why, where, whom, when, whose, and which. Now we'll see what are the words stands for. What stands for an object, idea, or an action. What is your name? The word who stands for a person or people. We can ask who is your best friend. And the word why stands for reason. Why are you crying? So you have to reason out for crying. The word where stands for place. Where are you going? I'm going to school. Whom? The word whom gives us three different meanings along with three different words. They are by whom, with whom, and to whom. Next word is when. When stands for time, date, time duration, and year. When is your birthday? Whose? Whose is a possessive word. You can ask, whose pencil is this? It's mine. And the last word, which. We can ask, which is your bag? The blue color one is my bag. Along with the WH question, we can use the word how to construct meaningful questions. Here you can see I have had many more words with the word how. Shall we read them? How much, how many, how long, how far, how old, how often, and how much. You can see I have used the word much twice. How much? How much stands for quantity, also to mention the amount or price. How many? How many stands for number. How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. How long? How long stands for time duration. And how far? How far stands for distance. How old means age. How old are you? How often? How often stands for number of times. How often do you visit your grandma? I visit once a week. Here I have written a notice. You can find this notice in your textbook, page number 45. Shall we read the notice once? Okay. A Shramadana campaign will be held on 30th May 2015 from 7:30 am to 1:30 pm to clean Dampitiya tank bund and the children's park. Refreshment and a complimentary cap will be provided. All are invited. Municipal Council, Dampitiya, 18th May 2015. Shall we read the notice once again? A Shramadana campaign will be held on 30th May 2015 from 7:30 am to 1:30 pm to clean the Amphitheatre tank bund and the children's park. Refreshment and a complimentary cap will be provided. All are invited. Municipal Council, Amphitheatre, 18th May 2015. You can see I have highlighted some words. Now here you can see some question and within bracket the answers highlighted in the previous notice. Now what we have to do is we have to use those WH question words to get these answers. Okay, shall we read the question once? Blank will be held on 30th May. The answer is going to be a Shramadana campaign. The second question is blank will the Shramadana campaign be held? The answer is going to be on 30th May. The third one is Shramadana blank will the Shramadana campaign be held? The answer is going to be from 7:30 to 1:30 pm. Fourth one is blank is the Shramadana campaign held? The answer is going to be to clean the area. That means the Amphitheatre tank bund and the children's park. Question number 5 is blank are invited. The answer is going to be all are invited. Sixth one is blank was the notice written. The answer is going to be on 18th May 2015. Question number 7, the last one. Blank has written the notice. The answer is Municipal Council. Right. Now we'll see what are the question words we are going to use. Here the first answer is Shramadana campaign. So we can write what will be held on 30th May. What will be held on 30th May. The second one is blank will the Shramadana campaign be held? The answer is given as a date. So we are going to use the word when. W-H-E-N. When will the Shramadana campaign be held? The third question is blank will the Shramadana campaign be held? Here the answer is given as a time duration. That means from 7:30 to 1:30 pm. So therefore I am going to use the word long. For how long? I am using the word how with long. How long will the Shramadana campaign be held? The fourth one is blank is the Shramadana campaign held? The answer is to clean the area. That means a reason they have mentioned. So we can say, why is the Shramadana campaign held? You can use the word why. W-H-Y. The fifth one is blank are invited. Here the answer is all are invited. People are mentioned here. So you can ask who are invited. Right? The sixth one is blank was the notice written. Again, a date. So, as question number 2, we are going to use the word when, because the date is given here. When was the notice written? The last one is municipal council, means the people of that council. So we are going to ask who has written the notice. So the answer for question number 7 is who has written the. Here you can see the answers. For question number 1 is what, second when, third for how long, and fourth one is why, fifth one is who, sixth one is when, and the last one is. So let's do an activity. A similar activity is given as you have done earlier. A notice. Shall we read the notice once? Okay, let's read, children. Bring and buy sale to raise funds for the school library due to be on 14th of June has been postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic. Another date will be announced later. Sorry for the inconvenience. Organizing Committee, 5th June 2021. Shall we read the notice once again? Bring and buy sale to raise funds for the school library due to be on 14th of June has been postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic. Another date will be announced later. Sorry for the inconvenience. Organizing Committee, 5th June 2020. Read the notice and construct question to get the answers given below. In this activity you can see the answers are given, but you have to write the questions. You have to use the WH question words and the words with how. Right? Shall we read the answers? The first one is bring and buy sale. For the second question, the answer is given as to raise funds for the school library. For the third one, due to COVID-19 pandemic. The fourth one is new date will be announced later. The last one is organizing committee. Right. We'll write the first question. The answer is given as bring and buy sale. So we can write the question using what? What is the notice about? What is the notice about? So we can say it's about bring and buy sale. The second answer is given to raise funds for the school library. They have mentioned the reason. So we can ask the question, why is it held? Why is it held? The third one also, they have mentioned a reason as due to COVID-19 pandemic. Due to COVID-19 pandemic. So, for third one also, we are going to use the word why. Why did they postpone? Why did they postpone the bring and buy sale? Right. The fourth answer is given as a new date will be announced later. New date will be announced later. So we can ask the question as what will the new date be? What will the new date be? The last one is mentioned as organizing committee. The answer is given as organizing committee. So the people are mentioned here. We can ask the question as who has put up the notice? Here you can see the answers for the previous question. The number 1 is What is the notice about? Second one is why is it held? Third one is why did they postpone the sale? Fourth one is what will the new date be? The last one is who has put up the notice. Okay, children, hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.